Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you some cool effects that you can apply into a 3D object in Cinema 4D. Alright, hold the left click button and we have bend. Bend is used so that a 3D object bends. Alright, drag it into here and then increase the strength of the bend to let's say here. All right, the cylinder is now bent just like this. Isn't it cool? All right, you can adjust the strength the way that you want. All right, another cool effect that you can apply is shear. Shear is the effect that you use to make a 3D object look slanted. Drag it into here and then adjust the strength. Yeah, it looks slanted now. Adjust the curvature so that doesn't look so curvy. You can spin it just like this, when you're modeling a pipe, for instance, and you want the pipe to be slanted just like this. Apply shear just like that. Another one is twist, where you can twist the cylinder just like no, it's circular. So let's say if we do the alignment to -x and no, nope, it won't work for a cylinder actually. So let's say we have a cube and then you apply the twisting effect and then we apply it and then ooh, yeah, the cube is now twisted just like that. Doesn't it look cool? Alright, back to the cylinder actually. There's another cool effect that you can apply, which is bulge, where you can make this 3D object, the cylinder, to look stuffy. And then when you adjust the strength, it can go thin or go thick just like this. Ooh, yeah. And then you can make a lantern or a vase using this bulge effect, where you can right click on it and then you click on connect objects and delete to make this object editable, just like so. Another one, it's called taper. So taper is used so that a prism is turned into a 3D object with a vertex, which is the maximum point, like this. And then when you hit the strength and then when you increase the strength, it will go like this, or it will have vertex. You can model a bullet using this feature actually. And then when you right click on a cylinder and then you click on connect objects and delete, there, a bullet. Doesn't it look cool? Alright. You can even do a lot of things here, such as the explosion effects, where if you adjust the time percentage, it will just explode just like this. And yeah, that's the basics. Those are some cool effects that you can apply for your 3D objects, in Cinema 4D. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!